My name is Robin Smith. I'm IT Security Manager for West Yorkshire Police. I've been attending CMA's cyber workshop today, and we've been reviewing incident response, planning for scenarios, planning for threats. We've been discussing West Yorkshire's current approach on where we can improve, and we've been led into a whole new array of improvements from the CMA. They've been directing us towards good practice, they've been reviewing our current ideas, and they've been adding real value to our cybersecurity response. I would thoroughly recommend using CMA for the future.